Hi, my name is Pascal and welcome to my unboxing channel. Well, unboxing and review channel now. If you're seeing this video, it's because you are on my channel page and you are not yet subscribed. So what this channel is about? You have to know that I have two main channels. There is Pascal Marquis Aventurier or Pascal Marquis Adventurer, which is a French channel because my mother language is French. I'm Canadian, by the way. So I've got this adventure channel that you can see just right here. And I also have a channel that is named How To, in which I do a lot of tutorial about many things. You can also see that channel just right here. And I've got this channel because I do use in my work a lot of tools. So watch, cameras, shoes, computer, speakers, mouse, lightning, microphone. I use a lot of stuff. And when I do buy those stuff, I do watch YouTube videos to look the unboxing of those things because I don't go to a store and talk to a professional about the device. I do look online, I do look reviews, I do look unboxing video to make my choice. So I want to give back and make unboxing and review video about the stuff that I use to help you to make your choice. So that's what you will find on this channel. Do know that you will find honest review. I don't do. If you got something you want to send me for unboxing or reviewing, well, you can send it to me. You can go in the About section and send me an email to ship me something. That will be my pleasure, but I will never, ever accept whatever the price is to make a review, to make a positive review on something I don't like. It will never happen. So everything you will see here is honest. I do make money with affiliate links if you buy something after clicking on one of my links because I tell you about something or I show you something. I can make money on this, but I will never accept money to do a positive review on something I don't believe in. If I do believe in, that's fine. But that won't change my speech. I will always stay honest in what I say. Know that if you see unboxing video on this channel, that doesn't mean I tell you that's a great product and buy it. That will only be an unboxing video. So you will get unboxing video and review video. So take a look down there. There will be also playlist if you want to see some categories of stuff. Take a look at those things down there and have fun. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon. See ya.